Hello, I'm Carolina Herrera, a mental health counseling specialist at the Sonoma County Office of Education. I'm thrilled to share two amazing free resources for families looking to support the mental health of their children and teens, and we hope you'll help us spread the word. The first is a new consultation service that pairs parents and caregivers with mental health professionals. In one-on-one sessions held over the phone or Zoom, families will learn strategies to support youth experiencing mental health or behavioral challenges. They'll also get help finding resources in their community. These sessions are free, offered in both English and Spanish, and are available several times and days during the week. All parents and caregivers can contact us for help, regardless of whether their child attends a public or private school. Our second offering is a series of virtual workshops that will go over key mental health topics impacting youth, including substance use, depression, and anxiety. These sessions are also free to attend and available in both English and in Spanish. To learn more, scan the QR codes or use the short links for each of the offerings. The Sonoma County Office of Education knows how crucial it is to support the mental health of students, and we thank you in advance for taking the time to share this information with families in our community.